The students are testament. You don't have to take my word for it. You saw the students; they were highly engaged, and I think that is the true essence of how good the game is.
We've looked at actually quite a couple of games in actually games that actually teach computational thinking, and I think Puyo Pirates actually has this element of fun. Actually engages them. Actually, it's much more than I think more than some of the games that we've played.
Because it's very kinesthetic. The unplugged aspect of it put them in such a position where they did not feel threatened by code. They did not exactly see the code, and it was very intuitive. The logical thinking came forward, so it was logic first rather than the code first. So that was a natural direction. So it's like bringing out the natural aspects of problem solving. So that was magical.